Insertion would be much simpler. Next, we are going to see displaying the elements in the doubly linked list. So the moment you call the display method, what happens? The elements or the information in the doubly linked list has to be printed. For every doubly linked list, every node in the doubly linked list has three fields: information, next, and previous. Next connects to the next node. Previous holds the address of the previous node, which is help us to traverse backside also. Now, the moment you call display method, first temporary is equal to first. So temporary is equal to first. First, what is the first value? 100. So temporary is equal to 100. You look at this condition. If at all we are having an empty linked list, so we already well know that first and last value will be null. So if temporary is equal to null, then the list is empty. So since we already have element, we are trying to print the elements that are there in the linked list. Now temporary is equal to 100, so we are having total 3 lines including the while loop condition. Let us see what happens. First, checks with the condition. So temporary is equal to 100, 100 not equal to null. So 100 not equal to null, the condition is successful. So it enters into the loop. Inside the loop, 100, that is temporary info. So what is 100's info? 100's info is 5. It prints 5 first. Then 3. Third step, temporary is equal to, already what is the temporary value? 100. 100 next. So what is 100 next value? 100 next is 200. So that means we are assigning temporary value as 200. Now again, since it's in the loop, so what happens? 200 not equal to null. So 200 not equal to null, the condition is successful. Next, it goes to the second line, it enters into the loop. 200 info. So 200 info is 6. So 6 will be printed. Then comes to the next step. In the next step, temporary is equal to 200 of next. So what is 200 of next? It is 300. So we are assigning 300 here. What is the first step? 300 not equal to null. So condition successful. Next, second step, 300 info. So what is 300 info? 7. 7 will be printed. Third step, temporary is equal to 300 of next. So what is 300 of next? Null. So now temporary is equal to null. Now what is the, while since we are in the loop, what happens? Null not equal to null. So temporary value has been updated to null. So null not equal to null, condition failed. So it comes out of the loop. So we have traversed from starting to ending 5, 6, 7. Similarly, by using the last variable and the previous pointer, we can traverse in the back direction. Next method,